Hi everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to delete emails in Gmail at once. So for this process, first you open the mail on your mobile device. Once you are at the inbox page of the mail, what you need to do over here to delete the mail is you need to hold the mail for the few seconds. After that, it will get selected, and if you want to delete few more, you can just tap and hold it for a few seconds and all the mail will get selected. Now you need to tap on delete icon on the top right and those three will be deleted. In case of phone device, you cannot delete all the mail at once in the application, but in the web, if you log in into a Gmail, you will be able to delete all the mail that you have in your inbox at once by clicking select all. But in the phone, you have to select each and every mail one by one for you to delete at once. So this is how you can delete emails in Gmail at once. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.